lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Isabella. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Yes, you heard me right, an unboxing video, okay? So I went ahead and ordered me something and she's here finally and I'm super excited and I just wanted to share that with you guys, okay? Let's just get into it. I'm just a bit impatient. It's like, you know when a kid gets a Christmas present? This is me at the moment, okay? I'm super excited. Can you guys tell? Okay. Ooh, how gorgeous. Look at this ribbon. Like, it's so pretty, guys. It's so pretty. I love it already. Can you guys guess what it is? Take a guess. What do you guys think it is? So this is just the receipts and the good stuff, I guess. Now, okay, card. So, backstory, right? Before I got this, I went on the Louis Vuitton website and I came across this bag, okay? Before, I wanted to get the Pochette Métis bag, and this is kind of like an upgrade to that one. I think this one came in about 2 months ago. So this is part of the 2021 collection. And when I saw this, it was love at first sight, okay? I was drawn to this bag. It's like, this is your bag. Like, you need to get this bag, okay? Let's just see how gorgeous she is. So, ta-da! She is a beauty. She is a beauty. She is a beauty, okay? So, this is the Louis Vuitton Passy bag, okay? Like Cassie, but like with a P, Passy bag. It has a plastic thing over the logo. I think I'm gonna keep that for some time. Let's open her. Oh, so this is the flap. It's like a magnet, right? God, wow, guys, look at the interior. I think I was attracted to this bag mainly because of the red interior. It's like a suede type of red, burgundy or plum, like a plum color. And it has, they're very generous with this, aren't they? Because it has 1, 2, 3 compartments. It has 3 compartments, right? So 1, 2, 3, and then where the zipper goes here. They're quite generous. I'm gonna bring it closer so you guys can see her. She is a gorgeous beauty. And also in the back, it has another pocket, so maybe my phone can fit in here, and it's quite deep, so my phone should be able to fit in here. Hold on. So here is my iPhone X. Try to put that in here. See that? This chain is actually so rich. It's not like a shiny type of chain. I love it. And also it's adjustable. So I'm gonna put this on, see where it gets on my body. This is her. Come closer so you guys can see. And you can wear this as a shoulder bag, like this. She can be a crossbody bag too. And if you're a girl who likes going to the bars and stuff, like, this will be a nice bag for that. And also, you can wear it from day to night, which is something that I love. It can be an everyday bag, and it can be like dressy too. So I like that it's multi-purpose in that regards, like it's multi-purpose. So if you wanted to wear it in the daytime, like an everyday type of bag, you could. And you could also wear her at night, right? So this is what she's looking like. They're like, I love her. She is gorgeous. Okay, guys, I really love this bag, and I'm super excited to be able to wear my bag out when I do. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye, guys.